Have you ever wondered how to achieve that elusive, natural glow on your face? Are you tired of searching for the perfect skincare product? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome back to Practical Health Tip, where we're about to unravel the beauty secrets that will leave your skin looking stunning. But before we dive into these incredible remedies, please do us a favor and hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and beauty wisdom. Plus, there's a fantastic free guide in the description below on how you care for your skin can greatly affect your appearance. Now, let's uncover the path to a radiant face that'll have you watching from start to finish. Beauty, as they say, lies in the eyes of the beholder, but it's not merely skin deep. True beauty radiates from within, reflecting our inner selves. In yoga, we emphasize the importance of nurturing our inner selves, which, in turn, results in a beautiful external appearance. A positive, joyful, and forward-looking outlook on life naturally brings forth an external beauty that is impossible to replicate with external products. The key is to cultivate a natural glow from within. Before we dive into the remedies, let's address some common reasons for skin issues. Stress, an unhealthy lifestyle, smoking, alcohol, and poor dietary choices can all negatively impact the health and appearance of our skin. But fear not, nature provides us with many natural ingredients that can restore that radiant glow. One such miracle ingredient is turmeric. Not only is it a healthy antibiotic that fights infections, but it also keeps your skin soft, gentle, and glowing. You can use turmeric both internally and externally for its numerous benefits. Let's jump into our first remedy. Our remedy 1. Turmeric, basin, and rose water face mask. To create a skin-loving face mask, you'll need turmeric, basin, gram flour, and rose water. Mix these ingredients to make a thick paste and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then wash it off with warm water. This mask will help purify your skin and give it a radiant glow. Remedy 2. The magic of rice flour and sandalwood. Another fantastic remedy combines rice flour and sandalwood. Rice flour exfoliates and removes dead skin cells, while sandalwood helps repair UV-damaged skin and brightens your complexion. Here's how to create this mask. Combine rice flour, sandalwood powder, and rose water to create a paste. Gently massage this mixture on your face and neck for 5 minutes, then wash it off with warm water. As you apply these remedies, remember to enjoy the process. Relaxation is essential for a glowing face. Now, let's delve into the powerful yoga techniques that can complement these natural remedies. 2 yoga poses, Matsyasana and Sarvangasana, can significantly improve circulation, tone your facial muscles, and help you radiate positive energy from within. Incorporate these 2 asanas into your daily yoga routine. Additionally, don't forget to practice Kapalbhati regularly to detoxify your system and enhance facial shine. The positive impact of these practices on your skin is undeniable. Pranayama techniques like Anulom-Vilom help improve breathing, increase oxygenation in your body, and enhance your facial radiance. Furthermore, the calming effect of Kapalbhati massage is incredibly beneficial for maintaining relaxed facial muscles. Next is meditation, the ultimate glow booster. For a truly radiant face, you must radiate positivity from within. Meditation can help you achieve this by opening your heart, fostering a sense of inner peace, and connecting with a higher reality. Inner beauty is the foundation of an outer glow. Remember, every color is beautiful, and external appearance is only a reflection of your internal purity and goodness. Embrace your natural beauty, smile, and radiate positivity. The more you practice this, the more your skin will glow. Now, let's explore the magic of Multani Mitti, also known as Fuller's Earth. This incredible natural ingredient is suitable for all skin types, including dry, oily, and combination skin. Multani Mitti cleanses, tones, absorbs excess oil, and treats common skin issues like pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads. The versatility of Multani Mitti allows you to create various natural face packs tailored to your skin type. Let's dive into some simple and effective Multani Mitti face packs that can give your skin the radiance you desire. Combine Multani Mitti with sandalwood powder, rose water, and milk to create a face mask that enhances your skin's glow. Apply it and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Moisturize with coconut oil for an added boost. Use this mask once or twice a week for best results. If you have oily skin, mix Multani Mitti with curd, turmeric, and honey. Apply this mask, leave it for 30 minutes, then wash it off with lukewarm water. You can use this mask twice a week to control excess oil and achieve a matte finish. For dry skin, blend smashed dried papaya pulp with Multani Mitti and honey. Apply this mask and leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse it off with water and moisturize with cow's ghee. This nourishing mask can be used once a week to combat dryness. Create a mask for combination skin by mixing Multani Mitti with honey, lemon juice, and water. Apply it evenly on your face and neck. Let it dry for 20 to 30 minutes. Then rinse with water. Moisturize with milk cream. Use this mask once or twice a week for a balanced complexion. If you have tanned or pigmented skin, make a mask using Multani Mitti, tomato juice, lemon juice, honey, and milk. Gently massage this paste in a circular motion before leaving it on for 20 minutes. Rinse with water and moisturize with coconut oil. Apply twice a week for improved skin tone. To tackle pimples and acne, combine Multani Mitti with milk tea, turmeric, neem powder, honey, and lemon juice. Apply the paste and allow it to dry for 20 to 30 minutes, then wipe off gently with lukewarm water. Moisturize with milk cream. Use this mask twice a week for clearer skin. Multani Mitti is not just for your face. You can also use it on your hair and scalp for cleansing and conditioning. Its mineral-rich properties make it a great choice for maintaining a healthy scalp and hair. In conclusion, the secrets to glowing skin are closer than you think, often found in natural ingredients and simple yoga practices. Embrace your inner beauty, practice positivity, and watch as your skin naturally radiates health and radiance. So, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel Practical Health Tip for more valuable health and beauty tips. Also, check out the description below for a free guide. Here you'll find the everyday care that dermatologists recommend. Remember, your inner beauty is the foundation of your outer glow. Stay positive, smile, and let your radiance shine through. Thank you for joining us today. We'll be back with more practical tips and insights soon. Until then, take care and stay radiant.